Welcome back. The snowstorm from the last video is still going strong. This morning at like 4:30 it was 30 degrees out, and now it's just supposed to drop all day down to 12 degrees tonight. It's already down to 19. So what was kind of a misty snow is now coming down quite heavy. Melissa is working from home again today. All the schools are closed up here. Daycares are closed. But by 4 o'clock this afternoon, this is supposed to be all done. Looks like only about a quarter-mile visibility with this one. I'm actually going up to Super 1 right now because I want country-style ribs on the barbecue for lunch. So I'm going up to get some ribs, and then I'll get home and fire up the grill and cook up some ribs. People let's hit the curb. Not many people grocery shopping today. Got everything I needed. I got some country style ribs, some stuff to make a salad, a few other little things. Can't get up the hill. Well, they finally made it into the parking lot. I was even with front wheel drive a day like today though. 4-wheel drive is nice. Certainly can't really complain about this winter. This is really the first storm we've had all year. Good morning, everybody. Melissa's just about to leave for work, and I wanted to come out and make sure they haven't plowed this closed, but they haven't even done this side of the road yet. I can hear the grader up there somewhere, but it looks like for the neighbors he skipped it and didn't go across, so that's good. Got about 16 inches. I haven't done a whole lot today. I vacuumed, I did the dishes. The sun is kind of coming out now, off and on, but it's getting some real gusty winds. It gets real windy. Good morning, everybody. Just grabbed the four-wheeler here. I had about an hour before lunch and pushed a little bit more snow. Cleaned up where they had plowed across the driveway, plowed a trail going to the fish house camper so I can check that out later. I haven't been out there for a few days now. I'll make sure that it's still gas in the tank and everything. The refrigerator is working. Got down to 10 degrees last night. I think it's supposed to get up to 34 today. The sun has some power to it, so it's melting the snow on the roof already, and it's only 25. I can't see anything, it's too bright outside. One light, that means the gas is good. It feels good in here. It's supposed to be pretty windy today, and then tonight it's going to get chilly again. Something, I don't know what it was, 6 degrees or 4 degrees, but then tomorrow it's going to be up in the mid-30s and down only in the 20s. And in my 10-day on my phone, there's even a 50-degree in there, so now that we have all this snow, it'll be fun to watch it all melt. 3:30 in the afternoon, 34 degrees. You can see how much power that sun has. Look at how that snow is melting. "8:30 at night right now. The wind has died down, completely clear skies. Tomorrow morning it should be sunny again and get up to about the same temperature, but then it's going to cloud up and 1 to 3 inches of snow is possible, but we'll melt some more tomorrow. Nice night." Good morning, everybody. Just driving into Melissa's work, and then I'm going to take her out today for Mexican for lunch. It's Friday. Sounds like we still have an inch or so of snow or whatever coming this afternoon and tonight, but it's supposed to be about 35 today. Today it's been 24 days since I had surgery, and today was the first day that I woke up and I jumped up in bed and felt a little pain in my side and thought to myself, why am I feeling, and then it's like, oh yeah, that's right, you had surgery. So the first 2 weeks, were definitely the toughest, and then the third week it started getting better, and now that we're beyond that, I've got my jeans on right now. Yesterday I had my jeans on and made it about 3 hours before I had to snap them or unbutton them, and we'll see how long I go today. I'll take Melissa out for lunch, and then on my way back I have to stop and get a ham for Easter Sunday. I need to get a ham and some paper towels. And I need to stop and get some beer, and then I have to stop and get some diesel fuel in the truck, and that's my day. Could use that big load of wood at my house. Had a good lunch with Melissa at Margarita's. Hung out there for about a half hour at her work afterwards, and now I'm heading to Walmart in Cloquet. I did not expect Walmart to be that busy. I'm just gonna go get a ham and paper towels at Super One. Forget that. Well, the furnace is on, but it's cold in here. I'm just coming out here. I was going to turn up the heat because tomorrow is movie day, Saturday. And it's going to be a good one. I'll show it tomorrow. But yeah, both lights are on. Means I got to switch out the gas. The problem is I can't lift the gas, but I moved this one over here before my surgery so that will reach over here and I can just hook up to it. That's usually how I get the gas over here quicker. It's running out. There we go. It's down to 39 in here. Not warm yet. It smells so strong like propane when it's been burning like that, you know, when the propane gets low. It kind of lets you know because you can smell it. That's what it smells like in here. She's working. So I'm going to turn this up to 62 for tonight, and tomorrow I'll come out here and I usually turn it to 72 or 73. And if it still smells like gas tomorrow, which I doubt it will, I will turn on the fan over the stove. But right now I have the little thingy closed outside so that it doesn't flap in the wind. The movie tomorrow is The Day the Earth Stood Still, but it's the old version, not the one with Keanu Reeves. From 1950 something. That's a great movie. Still have my jeans on, and I unbuttoned them for about an hour after I got home from lunch. But otherwise, I have them buttoned again. I'm getting better. They're still saying a chance of snow overnight tonight. Not much, but 100% chance on my phone. Good morning, everybody. 28 degrees. Sometime overnight, we got about an inch of snow. Melissa's in there making breakfast for lunch. When you have chickens that lay eggs all the time, you gotta eat a lot of eggs. Good morning, everybody. Easter Sunday. A few light snow flurries coming down. Supposed to get up to 41 or 42 today. Yesterday afternoon, we went out in the fish house camper and watched the original 1951, The Day the Earth Stood Still. I've got a ham cooking in the roaster right now. Melissa's going to make potato salad and baked beans. What are you doing, Smudgy? Nice Easter afternoon, 44 degrees. Sun feels really warm on your face. Hopefully this week I can get the other hose put on this and get the ends on and try to get it figured out. Another month and I should be able to start cutting up on this stuff. I don't know if I want to start cutting on it right after my 6 weeks comes up. I think it'd probably be better to wait a little bit longer. For getting between, what was it, 16 or 18 inches of snow, there's only about 6 or 8 left on the ground now. A little less than 6 months and it'll be time for duck hunting. Just wanted to see what there is here that I can get into the garbage can this week. I just like to make sure I can't use, because you know how I've used this for cutting the diesel heater stuff to get it through windows. I don't know. Melissa says that since I've been not able to do anything, we have way less garbage. So that's why I'm trying to fill up the garbage. I can't do anything with this foam, you know, you can't burn it. Not anymore. Back in the day, maybe, but... I wanted to look in this box and see the stuff that's for the actual disc. This is the lever if I want to hook it up, because I have a, you know, where I run the hydraulics on the tractor, I have one spare spot that doesn't have a lever. So if I want to hook it up on its own separate circuit or whatever you call it, I will put this lever in there. I think, is this it? Yeah, somebody sent me a spark plug cleaner. I should actually hook that up since I have the air compressor in here. I think this is the pin I need where the hydraulic cylinder hooks up to the actual disc. And that's, oh yeah, I got 2 hoses. He sent 2 of them. I have one on there. Anyway, those for sure are for that. This is a carburetor kit to rebuild it. I'm not going to open that up. Another oil filter, which I should switch that out this spring. It's been 2 years. These must be the, if I needed to change out the hoses on there, because they're little short hoses. Mine aren't leaking right now though. I need to have a shelf that's just tractor stuff, but I just keep everything in a box, so I guess that works just as good. I just don't know what I have. Another oil filter. This is the actual book for the motor that I have in the tractor. If I ever want to rebuild it, everything is right here. John Deere wheel carrier attachment. Oh, somebody sent me the book for that disc. I'm sure that Joe guy sent me this too. This is the operator's manual. This is awesome because I was wondering, you know, I mean, I would have figured it out. Look at that. It's got everything about the disc. Sweet. So that was a 9-minute video clip that I'm sure I shortened up, but anyway, I've got all kind of parts for that disc and I'm excited to get that going. I've also been looking on Marketplace at like a 3-bottom plow, but I definitely want one that I think that has a hydraulic lift on it instead of having to reach back and do levers or whatever you have to do. So I'm not sure if I should roll it over with the plow or just go ahead and disc it. I haven't figured that out yet. I know with the garden I can just disc it because I'll disc it and then I'm going to come in and till it after that. So that's not a big deal. But if we do the fields, I might want to plow that under first. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Brandon just brought down the garbage cans. I got that stuff in there just in time. I will see you guys on the next video.